crazy.
So, when you gonna let me take you out?
Take me out? I don't know about all that. I really don't like going out. I'm more like a homebody. We can just do something at the house.
Oh, so you want to stay in the house?
Yeah, like you could cook for me or something like that.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, you want me to cook for you? Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool.
Okay, cool. Well, I just think it's better that way. You get to know a person. It's more one-on-one. We can talk and laugh together. You know, without all the distractions of everybody else around when people go out.
Right. So, what time you think about doing this?
I said about 6, so I need to start getting ready now.
Okay, cool. Yeah, let's do it.
All right, see you then.
All right.
Having problems with your appliances? Don't fear, ABE Professional Appliance Repair is here. We service most major brands in the Houston and surrounding areas with over 20 years of experience.
Oh! Hey man, where'd you come from?
Did you call ABE Professional Appliance Repair?
Yeah, but I didn't think you was gonna move that fast.
Oh yeah, real quick. Let me take care of that for you right now.
All repairs come with a 90-day labor warranty and a 1-year part warranty. Call us today at 832-445-8134. You live your life, we'll handle the leftovers.